Hello students, now in the statistics on page number 166, final exercise, that is exercise 4 section B. Let's take some numbers 6 because 1 to 5 that are theory sums. Here questions, right? Okay. For a company making pipes, the following information of diameter of pipes is obtained. Find the range of the following diameter of pipes. Formula of range, that is highest observation minus lowest observation. Lowest, that is 20, highest 120, right? So see the first solution. Range is equals to highest minus lowest. 120 minus 20 is equals to 100, right? Centimeter, that unit is given, so I have written unit. Then next, the 25th and 75th percentile of a frequency distribution are 72.18 and 103.99 respectively. Find the quartile deviation. Now, formula of quartile deviation is equals to Q3 minus Q1 upon 2. Now here percentile is given and it is given that to find a quartile deviation, मतलब we require quartile 3 and quartile 1. So percentile P25, that is our first quartile, and percentile P75, that is our third quartile, because this is the third part of percentile and this is the first fourth part of the percentile, right? So iski jo value diye, just put up these values into the formula and find out answer. Next, 7 students of a group get 20, 20, 20, 20, 20, 20 and 20 marks in the test of 25 marks. What will be the standard deviation of their marks? Now see here, all the data that gave same. All the data are same 20, 20. So standard deviation would derive 0. Do not here we apply that formula. When all the magnitudes and variables are remain same, we derive standard deviation as 0. So standard deviation is equals to 0. 7 students of a ये तो हो गया 9th sum. Find the mean deviation of the observations -1, 0 and 4. Now formula of mean deviation, that is sigma x minus x bar upon n. So we have to find out this. For that, first of all we find out x bar. X bar is equals to sigma xi upon n. 3 values are given, -1, 0, 4 plus upon 3. 3 upon 3 comes 1. So our x bar get 1. So now we put up this into the modulus and find out x minus x bar. -1 becomes 2. Modulus के बाहर आ जाएगा तो values positive हो जाएगी. 0 minus 1 comes 1, 4 minus 1 becomes 3. Total of these 3 comes 6. So 6 by 3, that derived 2. So mean deviation, that is 2. Right? So this is the section B. Now in the section C, all the sums are very easy because all we have done. So 1 to 5, that are theory sums. So I'll just show you the solutions. Sum number 6, that is find the coefficient of quartile deviation for the observation. Quartile deviation for the observation for raw data is given. So first of all we find out Q1, then we find out Q3 and then we apply formula of quartile deviation. Sum number 7, find the mean deviation of the observation. अभी जो हमने ये वाला sum किया सेम ऐसा ही है ये. Then next, 8th sum, if x bar is equals to 20, find coefficient of variation is 20% and find the variance. Formula of variance, that is s upon x bar multiplied by 100. Here we have to find out variance. That means here we have to find out this s, right? So ये x bar, that is 25, variance is 20%. So 20 is equals to, this is coefficient of variance. So 20 आप इस तरह से लिखेंगे. आप सॉल्यूशन अगर आप देख रहे हो तो 20 is equals to s upon 25 multiplied by 100. If you simplify this, we get s is equals to 5. We have to find a variance. Variance means s square. So 5 square, that is 25. So this is how you can solve this sum. Next, Find the standard deviation for the observations. See, these are the raw data are given. So find out standard deviation for raw data. Then after find which of the following factors is more stable with respect to daily production. That means here we have to find out that coefficient of variance. So first of all we find out for factor A, then we find out for factor B, and then after we compare it that which one is more stable. So these average daily production, so 50 and 48, that is x bar. Standard deviation, that is 10 and 12, so that is s, right? So this is you can do it by yourself. Sum number 11, this is also that same as that this sum number 7. The 25th and 75th percentile of a data set are 30 and 36 respectively. Find the coefficient of quartile deviation of the data. So हमें ये फाइंड आउट करना है QD इज इक्वल्स टू Q3 माइनस Q1 अपन Q3 प्लस Q1. P25 that is our Q1, P75 that is our Q3. So directly find out quartile deviation. So whole section C from sum number 6 to sum number 11, that is in homework. I have given solution for this. Write down section B also in your notebook, right? So this is your today's homework. So that's all for today.